Introducing the USA 20 SB WAT Case Sealer, a user-friendly operator-fed machine designed to seal the bottom of uniform cases with water-activated tape. This eco-friendly tape creates a secure, curbside recyclable seal, replacing plastic with strength and sustainability. Built for high productivity, it seals up to 18 cases per minute and features smart tech like HMI diagnostics, a slide-out tape carriage for quick tape changes, and a precision water application system for reliable adhesion. An optional bottom flap folder kit helps fold box flaps with ease, turning this into a manual case erector and sealer at a fraction of the cost. Engineered for non-stop operation, the USA 20 SB WAT boosts speed, efficiency, and sustainability, elevating your packaging line's performance.